Hi, I'm Dr. Manoti Sehgal. I'm a dentist by profession. I'm working at SGT University. My specialty is prosthodontics and oral implantology. The SGT idea of teaching is not conventional. Rather, it is creative, facilitating our students to think, experiment and innovate. In this video, I'm going to explain what comes in an add-in implant kit and how do we use it for the implant placement. This video is very basic and it is very useful for the beginners. In this demonstration, I am going to show you each and every component of the kit in the same order we are going to use in the surgery.
This is the add-in implant kit we have. This is the premium kit.
It has the fin drills starting from the tip drill. This is the pilot drill with white color coding. As you can see, this is of 2 millimeter. The second one is red coded. This is of 2.8 millimeter. The blue one, it is 3.2 millimeter in width. And the green one, it has 3.6 millimeter diameter. The next one is the black one. It has 4.2. Then the yellow and brown one with 4.6 and 5.2 diameter. For starting any new case, we use this tip drill as a marking drill. We mark the bone with this tip drill and thereafter we proceed with the further osteotomy. For example, if we have to place an implant of 4 millimeter diameter, we use this tip drill, then we go ahead with this white one, then red one, blue one and the green one which is of 3.6 millimeter diameter.
Now in this video, I am going to show you the gradual drilling procedure, starting with the tip drill, then the pilot drill. After that, we are going to prepare osteotomy with next 2.8, that is red drill. Then 3.2. And finally, insertion of implant.
Now coming on to the depth of osteotomy preparation, we have several markings over these twisted drills. Like the first marking you can see is still 8 millimeter diameter. The second one is still 10 millimeter diameter. And the end of this band signifies 11.5 mm, then 13, 15 and 16. So according to the length of implant, we prepare our osteotomy depth. Now to check the depth of osteotomy that we have prepared, we have this depth probe. By this we can check the depth of our osteotomy, and with the help of this ball we can check the surrounding bone, like whether it is sound or not. Apart from this, we have paralleling pin with us. So with this paralleling pin we check the parallelism of our osteotomy, that we can see with the adjacent tooth or maybe with the another implant we are going to place. These two are hex driver. The wider one is for the regular implant we are going to place, like 4 mm, 5 mm, and this is for the narrower implants like with the diameter of 3 millimeter. This is a hex handpiece adapter. By using this, we can use our handpiece to place the implant instead of our conventional hex driver. This is our ratchet. It has got marking from 35 Newton centimeter to 100 Newton centimeter. We place our implant and give a torque by using this. Here you can see we have prepared an osteotomy in this area, in 6th region, to place an implant. So I'm going to place a dummy implant in this region. So keeping the implant engaged with this hex, I'm going to put this inside the osteotomy. and then finally giving a torque with this surgical ratchet.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was pretty useful to you. To follow more, you can subscribe our channel for more such educational videos. Thank you.